Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, darlings. Welcome back, and today's tutorial we'll be learning how to make this three bow turban. If you want it to be short, you can reduce the bow. If you want it to be big, you can increase the bow. It just depends how you want it. And in this tutorial, I use a plating turban cap. Check my previous videos on how to make a plated turban. I have videos on how to make a plated turban. So because I don't want to take much of your time, I've already sewed the plating turban cap, and this is it. Check all my previous videos, search for plating turban again to see them. And this is the bow. You can decide to add to the bow. You can make it tiny, you can make it big, just depending on how you want it. Just take a look at this. It's very easy to do. So what I did in this video, I increased mine and make it a little big. So just decided on what you want. If you want it to be long, if you want it to be short. If you're a new subscriber, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're a whole subscriber, thank you for coming back. And this is the measurements. I have 7 inches. Just take a look at this. By 6 inches. So that is the first bow. You can add to it if you want. And this is our going to be showing is our second bow. So our second bow is going to be giving us 8.5 inches. Sorry for that, 8.5 inches by, just take a look at it, by 5.5 inches. So that's it. Can you see? Just take a look at this. Can you see? So we have two bow now. Then I didn't show you the last inches. Just add inches to it. That's how you're going to achieve it. We have sew it round. At the center of the bow, you're going to leave some inches, just 1 inches. You're going to turn it out the way I'm turning it out. Can you see the way I'm turning it? Just look at it. You can use a soft scuba. I think this scuba is a little bit thick. You can take a look at it. Just see what we are doing. It's very easy. Then you're going to turn this out. You turn this out. That's how you're going to turn the 3 out. Can you see? Just make sure you use a sauce to pull that out. It's very easy. So I'll come to this side again. I'm going to do the same thing. I'll turn this one out. So I'll be turning the 3 out. So the 3 is already out now. What we'll be doing next thing is I'm going to arrange the bow. Like I said earlier, you can add to it to make it wide. You can make it long. Just depend on how you want it. Just depend how your clients want it and how you want it. So we're going to fold the 3 together just like this. Just create your hand with the bow. And so this is it. The next thing I'll be doing now, I'm going to be taking my needle and thread, and I'm going to start from the center of the bow, just at the middle. Just see what we're doing. You put this in. Can you see? Put it in. So my own bow is a little big. Just pull it out. This is a videos on how to show you how to make the 3 bow. Just take this step and make your own. You put this one out. You create your bow. Can you see? So you go to the back and pull in the thread again. Just take a look at this. pull this in. Can you see? You pull this one in. You see what we're doing? You put that one in. Yes. Just quit your pull. You tack. Make sure you tack it very well. Can you see? You tack. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share my videos. Just make sure you tack it very well. You secure that part so well. Can you see? Then you're going to cut the thread. Can you see? And you cut. Can you see? So the next thing you're going to be doing now, you're going to, can you see? Can you see? This is the teeth. So you're going to be taking this to the turban body and going to. So you can cover it with your streaming. You can leave it like that. I'm just showing you what you can just add to it to make it so beautiful. You can fix this inside if you want. Can you see? So just take this to the turban body, then you tack in and out, in and out, in and out. Stack it inside, take a turban body, fix the inside, you tack in and out. So I've already tagged the three bow. I've already tagged it today. So band cap. So our plating cap. If you want it to be so beautiful, just make it with some plating turban cap. And this is the final look, darlings. You can add this to that if you want. I'm just showing you can just add this to it just to make your work so beautiful. So finishing is so important in whatever you are doing. So bye, darlings.